Now, a lot of you might already know that practicing pranayam and Sudarshan Kriya can help you build your immune system. But what if the person is already going through COVID? Let's hear it from Sonia Verma ji, who has something very important to share. She and her family were going through COVID treatment and they underwent the Art of Living's breath and meditation workshop. And how did they feel? Let's hear it from them.
So I really wanted to thank everybody. I think this was a wonderful program, and especially I have myself attended. This one was the fourth one, but it actually came on a very right time because I don't know, I didn't share it at the start of the session, but I wanted to definitely share that all five of us, basically Nikki, Kiran, myself, mom, dad, we all are going through COVID treatment as of now, and this is our second week. So the day I got the link and I got this information, I was like super excited. So that's why I'm saying that this was like so timely that by starting Sudarshan Kriya in the first 2-3 days itself, I could see all the family members, everybody of us had a lesser anxiety, more peace, and more happiness, and no fear of what we are going through as of now, and not even a single point of doubt that अगर 2 घंटे बैठ पाएंगे कि नहीं, is it going to be a fine thing, because we have to make sure our tablets and medicines, everything is being taken on time, so ye hoga ki nahi. But I think everything was managed so very well, and I'm so happy and glad that this is such a great gift of Guruji's Darshan Kriya, which my family is now taking away on this final day, and I look forward to all of us continuing to do the practice. So I do that actually. I wake up in the morning and first thing I do is I complete my Sudarshan Kriya, because it's very close to my heart. I have seen wonderful, I would say, wonderful results out of this myself. But I am now seeing my family also gaining this. So thank you very much, everyone.